Going to Walmart again. Kala ko doon na kami sa malapit na punta. Walmart na lang tayo. Dala namin si Pogi yung Chevy stock. Kasi mas okay dalhin yung pickup truck sa yung car or yung SUV. Lalo na pag sa ganitong panahon, icy yung road. Okay yung tires nito. Hinihintay na lang natin si Warren dito. Bibili lang siya ng wiper para dito sa truck. Para kay Pogi. Para maging lalong Pogi. Lakas ng ulan. Tapos may mga yelo. Ayun. May mga yelong kasama. Yan. Pinapalitan na yung wiper. You can see now, my love.
I can see.
Yeah, may maganda na siyang wiper. Masaya na ang bata. We're here now at Walmart. Hey, there you are. Konti lang yung tao ngayon, not like nung holidays. There's a few people. Not like the holiday rush. Yeah, and probably they want to stay home today because, you know, it's raining, icy. Yeah. Now we need to pick one of these for the Christmas tree. Christmas decoration, especially the ornaments. So we're back home. And syempre, we will do the grocery haul. Again, it's not too much naman. It's just an additional grocery from the last grocery that I posted. Yeah. Just came back from Walmart. So first of all, I got these mini Dr. Pepper cans. Of course, bread. We don't need so much, but we got 2. Nalagay lang naman kami dito. And I got Oreo. Magkakaubusan ng bread ngayon. As in, most of the shelves doon almost empty na. And para hindi ko na siya buhatin, we got Powerade here. And 2 peach tea. Masarap yan. Lipton peach tea. Yun yung favorite namin. Last time kasi wala. Diet lang. So now we got 2 packs. Warren also get me a new pan. Dahil naawa siya sa akin, sunog na yung isang pan ko. I got new big pan na pwedeng pang malakasan. Some Blade air freshener. Colgate. I got Cetaphil face cleanser and a fresh for washing machine. Ginagamit ko panlinis ng washing machine. Next one, I got aluminum foil. This is the spinach dipping and sometimes spinach spread. Get another Yakult. Got treats for the dogs. I also got toothbrush. Yan, $1 lang to nakita ko. $1.25 ata. Basta yun. Head and Shoulder. I got the conditioner. Tapos silang malaking bottle. Of course, Carefree, Sponge, and Feminine Wash. Also got Luya, lime, and garlic. Also got green apples for my juice. Got cornmeal and flour. Is it open? Yeah, flour. And this one is cornmeal. For breading and all baking, all-purpose flour. Also got sour cream, cinnamon ground or cinnamon powder, and ground, ano nga to? Sausage. You also got brown sugar, got 2, and a powdered sugar. Also got some biscuits. This one is the Crescents, para siyang, anong tawag dun? Sweet Hawaiian Crescents. Anong tawag dun sa atin? Got another biscuits and the Crescents. Also got some carrots. For meats, we got steak. This one is rib eye. This one is New York strip. I also got pork steaks. Yan, i-separate natin siya later. And then bacon. Got bacon. What is this? Is it chicken? Yeah, I got chicken wings. Chicken wings. And burgers. That's all, I think. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, burger patties. And then, bumili rin kami ng tote for the, andun yung lid niya. For the, what do you call it? For the ornaments. Dahil, ayusin ko na yung Christmas tree. That's all.
So, I'm now preparing for the sausage fried rice. Got ingredients: bell pepper, garlic, onion, chicken broth, paprika, and then soy sauce.
It's okay. It's just funny. It's just funny you're copying me. This is the sausage that I'll be using. It's Eckrich smoked sausage. Ayan, masarap siya. So, and also whole corn pala. Yan, lalagyan din natin ng whole corn. Tapos, nirequest to ni Warren. So, yeah. Of course, hindi ba naman ako na hindi gawin, di ba? Pinirequest ng aking asawa or not. I'll do it.
Kayo na bahala kung gaano kaliit yung hiwa niya, pero ako ganun siya. Yun yung hiwa ng sausage. Gusto ko sana chorizo, kaso walang chorizo dito. Meron, kaso Mexican, hindi masarap. Hindi ko type. Going to fry first the sausage. ayan na siya. So, hayaan lang natin kumapit yung aroma. Saka ma-fry yung rice. Ganda. Kaya masarap. Ganda bumabag yung kanin. Ang gamit ko jasmine rice. And then later, halo natin yung sausage. And konting egg. Dahil ika-toppings naman natin yung egg. Mix na natin yung sausage para lumasa. We're going to put corn also. Antahin nyo na lang yung corn.
Finished product. I just topped it with onion leeks and yung scrambled egg.